welcome to the vlog. This is the Sunday after a week of filming, and while editing I realized I never filmed an intro. So hi, I'm Lily. This is my first weekly vlog, and I just took you guys along with me to go rave, Muay Thai, skydive, just pretty normal things for me, but I thought it'd be fun to take you guys along. So let's get into the vlog. Today is my first day of some hardcore Mondays where I start my day off with 4-way training. So I skydive all day. And then I come home, ate a snack, and I trained boxing with my husband and my friend Allie. What are we doing today?
Boxing and kickboxing. 3. I want to hear you breathing.
First night of boxing was a success. Started out with some sprints, did some drills, ended it with more running and a little cool down with the hose, so body work. But did it. It was awesome. Thank you, Zaka, for coaching us. And now Allie took off, and now I'm gonna cook some dinner. So tonight we've got some Hello Fresh. It's gonna be a good protein meal with some meatloaf a la mom. I don't think I've ever actually even eaten meatloaf, so this is gonna be a first, and I've definitely never made it, so let's go. Straight from the garden. So today was kind of like my day at home. It started off with a quick phone call with my boss and our events coordinator at work, and then I had another meeting with my mother-in-law, Rachel. We're working on building a wellness center in our area. So in order to kind of get back on the same track of like building that with our hearts, what we did was we did some meditation, some breath work, some chanting, and did an oracle card reading, and then we went into like a little bit of business meeting, but that was really cool. Followed by a quick grocery trip. I went to the pet store to get some more fish tank filters and came home, took a nap. Was really tired, probably from hardcore Mondays, and slept until like 6 o'clock, so now I'm awake again. I did a little bit of gardening and I have to do a little bit of choring, so we'll see how late I end up staying up tonight.
once a week, every other week, then it's $50.
Nice.
Day pass. Unless I start going twice a week.
Right.
This is my little makeshift desk, which is perfect.
That somewhere else.
Yes, first off, you would have to create those requests.
Probably the last evening to enjoy some hoodie weather, huh? Mm-hmm. And how? My blackberries are blooming.
They're getting big so fast.
They are. Oh, they're all nice and toasty in there, though. I think these little guys need some help getting up, huh?
They'll figure it out.
You think so?
You gotta let them learn, you know?
I guess.
They're so soft and
They're
cute.
so soft.
Don't forget that one.
Come here, little buddy. It's okay.
Parkour. Nice and warm. I love that. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night. Today is Thursday. I went to work for a little bit, but it's another weather day. So I got to leave a bit early, and now we are heading to North Austin to go try out a Muay Thai gym for the first time. You stoked?
Hell yeah.
Pretty excited for that. Yeah, just super excited. Never been to anything like this before, so I'm really excited to do it. Let's go. On the way though, we're gonna stop by an aquarium store, so that should be cool too. Did you find which one you want to stop at?
No, not yet.
Okay, well we're gonna go check out some cool fish stuff, grab some food, hit up the Muay Thai gym, and then come home. See you little duckies.